Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs Florentine, full guide. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping your hollandaise sauce first. Then wash and wilt the spinach gently in a skillet with a touch of butter and a pinch of salt, keeping it bright green. Next, get a shallow pan of simmering water ready for poaching, and split and toast your English muffins so everything finishes warm and together. To make hollandaise, separate yolks and whisk them with a tablespoon of lemon juice until slightly thickened, then slowly drizzle in warm melted butter while whisking continuously to form a glossy emulsion. If it starts to separate, whisk in a teaspoon of cold water to bring it back together. Keep the sauce in a warm bowl over barely warm water, ready to spoon over the assembled dish when eggs are poached. Poach clean cold eggs in simmering water with a splash of vinegar for about 3 to 4 minutes for a runny center. Gently lift with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Assemble by placing toasted English muffin halves on plates, mound wilted spinach on each, add the poached eggs, and lavishly spoon warm hollandaise over the top. Finish with chopped chives or a dusting of smoked paprika for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.